13's Marissa Perlman is live outside Travis Air Force Base, where neighbors are reacting to this third massive wave of quarantined passengers.
Yeah, good evening, Curtis. There's definitely a feeling of anxiety here in town. Neighbors point to the last time there was a quarantine here on base where one Solano County woman ended up being diagnosed with coronavirus through what's called community exposure. She had no contact with any travelers from China, but wound up in a Sacramento area hospital, wound up getting pretty sick. Here's what some Fairfield neighbors had to say about this next quarantine coming to their town.
Why bring sick people around people who are not sick? You know, it just doesn't make any sense.
When everyone's freaking out, I'm just trying not to freak out and even think about it because I don't really have time for that.
So many people just trying to stay calm and level-headed about this, but there are a lot of questions about how local, state, and federal leaders have responded to this outbreak. How are they reacting, Marissa, to this next arrival?
Well, we have reached out to the city of Fairfield, Solano County, and the CDC today to learn what protocol changes, if any, may be made as this second quarantine here comes to here at Travis. After calling the Fairfield city manager's office, they directed us to the Fairfield Fire Department, who we were told they would be handling media questions about protocol. When we got a hold of the Fairfield fire captain this afternoon, he told us his team is only responsible for monitoring and is on call basically on an emergency basis through Solano County. So then we called the Solano County public health officer today. Their office told us that the health officer is not available today and is deferring all contact to the CDC, their federal partner, who will be handling this protocol here. We were told it is that federal staff who is responsible for the health and the well-being of both the base and the local population. Solano County, according to the health officer, has not been asked to assist at this point.
All right, a lot of people pointing the finger somewhere else. Now, we know from the last quarantine, Travis has a limited amount of space. We know that a lot of people are headed their way for this next quarantine. How is Travis preparing to receive these passengers?
Yeah, space likely seems to still be an issue as this second round comes here. It seems to be a similar situation as to how they're planning to handle that first quarantine. Travis, once again, will be helping the Department of Health and Human Services with lodging for those evacuated from the Grand Princess cruise. We know anyone who tests positive will not be brought to the base, and those who display or develop any symptoms will then be transferred to an off-base medical facility. We did see some supplies being brought in to Travis as we've been here all afternoon. So we'll see how they handle that space issue in the next couple of days and weeks.
All right, Marissa Perlman, live for us in Solano County, getting answers for us. Thanks.